Best vitamins for women's health, essential nutrients for common health issues. Maintaining optimal health is essential for women at every stage of life. A balanced diet rich in essential vitamins plays a key role in supporting overall well being and preventing common health issues. Women have unique nutritional needs, and certain vitamins and nutrients are especially beneficial in promoting hormonal balance, bone health, skin radiance, and immunity. In this article, we'll explore the best vitamins for women's health, focusing on their benefits for common health concerns and how to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Vitamin D3 supports bone and immune health benefits. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption, making it vital for bone health and preventing osteoporosis, a common concern among women, especially as they age. It also supports immune function and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and certain cancers. Common health issues: bone loss and osteoporosis, weakened immune system, increased risk of infections. Sources: vitamin D is synthesized by the skin when exposed to sunlight. It can also be found in foods like fortified dairy products, fatty fishes, salmon, mackerel, eggs, and mushrooms. 2. Vitamin B9, folate, essential for reproductive health benefits. Folate or vitamin B9 plays a key role in delay synthesis and cell division, making it essential during pregnancy. It supports fetal development, reducing the risk of birth defects such as neural tube defects. Folate is also important for mental health as it helps with mood regulation and reduces the risk of depression. Common health issues: pregnancy related issues, e.g., birth defects, mental health concerns, e.g., depression, anemia, and fatigue. As sources: good sources of folate include leafy greens, spinach, kale, citrus fruits, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals. 3. Vitamin B12 boosts energy and supports nerve health benefits. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell formation, nerve health, and energy production. It helps prevent anemia, fatigue, and mood disorders. Since B12 is primarily found in animal products, vegetarians and vegans may be at risk for deficiency and should consider supplementation. Common health issues: fatigue and weakness, nerve damage and neurological issues, memory loss or cognitive decline. And sources: vitamin B12 can be found in animal products like meat, fish, poultry, dairy, and eggs. For those following plant-based diets, fortified foods and B12 supplements are recommended. 4. Vitamin A promotes skin and vision health benefits. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and immune function. It plays a crucial role in cellular growth and repair, helping to maintain smooth, radiant skin. Vitamin A also supports eye health, preventing conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Common health issues: dry skin and acne, vision problems, e.g., night blindness, weakened immune system. Sources: vitamin A can be obtained from both animal and plant sources. Animal sources like liver, fish, and dairy provide retinol, while plant-based sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens contain beta carotene, a precursor to vitamin A5. Vitamin C, powerful antioxidant and skin protector benefits. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that supports collagen production, promoting healthy skin and reducing signs of aging. It also boosts immune function, protects against infections, and helps absorb iron from plant-based sources. Vitamin C is important for fighting free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and improving overall skin health. Common health issues: skin aging and wrinkles, weak immune system, iron deficiency, anemia. Sources: vitamin C is abundant in citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. 6. Vitamin E supports skin and reproductive health benefits. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative damage, reduces signs of aging, and promotes healing. It also supports reproductive health and hormone balance, making it beneficial during menstruation and menopause. Common health issues: skin damage and premature aging, hormonal imbalances, reproductive health concerns. Sources: vitamin E can be found in nuts, Seeds as especially sunflower seeds, vegetable oils as sunflower and olive oil, spinach and avocados. 7. Vitamin K, essential for bone and heart health. Benefits: vitamin K plays a critical role in blood clotting and bone health. It helps in the synthesis of proteins that are essential for bone mineralization, thus reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis in women. Vitamin K also supports cardiovascular health by preventing calcium buildup in the arteries. Common health issues: bone weakness and fractures, increased risk of cardiovascular disease, excessive bleeding or bruising. Sources of vitamin K is found in green leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, and broccoli, fish, meat, and eggs. 8. Calcium supports bone and dental health. Benefits: calcium is one of the most important minerals for women as it helps build and maintain strong bones and teeth. Since women are at higher risk for osteoporosis, especially post-menopause, calcium intake is crucial for bone density and common health issues: osteoporosis and bone fractures, tooth decay, muscle cramps and spasms. Sources: calcium can be found in dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, fortified plant-based milks, leafy greens, and almonds. 9. Iron combats fatigue and supports blood health. Benefits: iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. It is especially important for women during menstruation, pregnancy, and breastfeeding to prevent iron deficiency anemia, which can cause fatigue and weakness. Common health issues: iron deficiency anemia, fatigue and weakness, immune system deficiencies. The sources: iron-rich foods include lean meats, poultry, seafood, lentils, turtles, spinach, and fortified cereals. Non-heme iron from plant sources is better absorbed when consumed with vitamin C. Conclusion: maintaining optimal health requires a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins. For women, specific vitamins like vitamin D, folate, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and calcium are especially important for addressing common health issues such as bone health, reproductive health, fatigue, and skin aging. To get the best results, aim to incorporate these vitamins through a balanced diet rich in whole foods and consider supplementation when needed. By taking care of your nutritional needs, you can support your body's long-term health and well-being at every stage of life. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.